children, the definition of the circle, copy in the classwork. Circle. A circle is a simple closed figure where each point on the boundary, simple closed figure where each point on the boundary is at an equidistance from the center. I took center as O. Now the fixed distance from the center, OA, OC, OB, they are all called as radius. The fixed distance we call it as radius, as you have seen the fixed distance we call it as radius. Now in the figure, draw the circle with pencil neatly. Draw one, mark one center as O. Draw one diameter, then radius, then chord. Here what I have drawn here, O is center. The line segment OA is called radius. The line segment BC is called as diameter as it passes through the center. Diameter is also called as longest chord. Then EF is called as chord. Here EF we call it as chord. Chord means what, children? Which joins any 2 points on the circle. Now center you know, radius you know, diameter definition and chord definition, relation between diameter and the radius, that all will write in the classwork. This copy down in the classwork. Copy in the classwork, children. Chord, children, will add the definition of chord. The line segment which joins any 2 points on the boundary it is nothing but the line segment which joins any 2 points on the boundary, we call it as a chord. Now the diameter line segment, it is also a line segment, children, which joins any 2 points on the boundary it is also a line segment which joins any 2 points on the boundary, but this should pass through the center, which passes through the center. Now here for this you have note points, children. Diameter is 2 times of radius. This is one point. Then another point. Diameter is also called as the longest chord or longest chord. Diameter is which is the longest chord, means you should write diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. So copy this also in the classwork, children. Copy in the classwork. So we will start the exercise, children. Exercise 4.4 in chapter 4. First sum, mark any 4 points A, B, C and D. Join them to make a quadrilateral. So we will write the question first. Mark any 4 points A, B, C and D. Join them to make a quadrilateral. You have to join it and name the figure also. Make it quadrilateral. You have to name the figure also. You have to name it also. So we'll see how to do that. Mark any 4 points. First we'll mark 4 points A, B, C, D. Now this A, B, C, D. Now I'll join all the points. B to C, C to D and A to D. Yes? A, B, C, D are the 4 points. I marked 4 points and joined all the 4 points. Now what figure I got, children? I got as rectangle. Now if I mark in another manner, little bit closer. This is A, this is B, this is C. The question did not specify the points, how to place them. It's your wish. It's your wish how you will place it. Now, if I join in this figure, now I get a square. The last figure was rectangle. Now this is a square. You can place it any manner. I select as a rectangle. So I will place in this manner only. A, B, C, D. I'll join A, B, then B, C, so here opposite sides are equal. So it is a rectangle. The figure formed is a rectangle. Second one I have fill in the blanks, children. PQRS is a quadrilateral given. You have to answer the following. Here one quadrilateral is given. PQRS. Quadrilateral means 4-sided polygon. PQRS is a quadrilateral. So this is the quadrilateral given. We have to answer the questions, children. First one, the opposite side of QR. The opposite side of QR is PS. This is QR. The opposite side of QR is PS. Then angle opposite to angle P. Now this is angle P. Now which is opposite to this? Angle R is opposite to this. Angle opposite to angle P is angle R. Then the adjacent side of PQ. What do you mean by adjacent side, children? Adjacent side means which is attached to that, like which is this is one angle. Yes, this is one angle formed here. AOB. Yes, in this AOB, OA is adjacent to OB, which is next to that. Adjacent means like who is sitting to you means what do you say? The one who is sitting beside you, next to you. So OB is adjacent to OA or OA is adjacent to OB. The side attached to that. Now the question is the adjacent side of PQ. This is PQ. The adjacent side is the side attached to this. Now you have two corners here. P and Q are two corners. For Q side you have QR side. For P point you have PS. So you can say any side. PS and QR are two adjacent sides of PQ. QR is adjacent to PQ or PS is adjacent to PQ. You can name anyone. The adjacent angle of angle S. Now this is angle S, which is adjacent to that. Adjacent means next to that. Now angle S, angle P is adjacent to angle S. Angle R is adjacent to angle S. You can name any angle. So we'll write the answers, children. So P, Q, R and S. Second one, PQRS is a quadrilateral. The first one is the opposite side of QR. What is opposite side of QR? So children, PQRS is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral given. It is given already. You have to answer the questions. The questions given are the opposite side of QR. QR is this one. The opposite side of QR is PS. Then angle opposite to angle P. This is angle P. Opposite to this is angle R. Then what is angle opposite to S? Q is angle opposite to angle S. The adjacent sides of PQ are, this is PQ. Adjacent side means the side attached to the corners. Now the vertices are what here? P and Q. For Q, QR is attached. For P, PS is attached. So PS and QR are adjacent sides of PQ. The adjacent angles of angle S. This is angle S. The adjacent sides of angle S are angle P and angle R. Copy in the classwork, children. Exercise 4.4, first and second. Copy first and second. And I will send worksheet attached to the videos. Complete the worksheet also. We will meet on Monday.